Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Minecraft block in Blender. After this series, you will know how to set up a beautiful scene for your animation using textures. So before we start, a sub would be epic. Thank you. Cue intro. So, first let's start by modeling the block. Okay, I know that we don't need two. But just for fun. Now we need a usable layout. We need a 3D scene view, UV editor, and a node editor. Now change the render mode to Cycles Render. This allows us to use nodes for rendering. Why do we need nodes? To add textures. Now we should mark the seams to unwrap our model. Go to Edit mode by tapping the Tab key. Select the preferred edges using the Edge tools. Like this. Then press Ctrl E, then mark seam. Click A to select all edges and then U, then unwrap. You can see your model faces in the UV editor. Go to the Materials tab and add a material if there isn't. I do have one. Now go down and under the Surface tab. Click Use Nodes. Now you will see two table-like thingies. Those are called nodes. Add a node by using Shift A, click on Search. Search for image texture and click on it. Click on the yellow circle in the image texture node and connect it to the yellow circle in the diffuse node, like me. Click on Open, find your file and open it. I am using a wooden plank texture. If you go into render mode by using Shift-Z while hovering over the 3D viewer window, you will see this. This is not what you want. Open your file in the UV editor. Then click Space, search for Reset, click on UV Reset. You're getting it. But not yet. Click R, then 90 degrees to rotate it 90 degrees. Now it's a bit blurry. Change the linear mode to closest. There you go. Time-lapse time. I'm going to set up the camera and lighting. Now you can render it by going to Render, Render Image. Or F12. It will take time. Be back in a second.
Approximately 10 hours later.
There it is. In the next video, I will show you how to set a nice scene with great lights. A subscribe would be epic, drop a like, leave a comment, and sit back until next time. Cue outro.